come my way. Oh yeah.
Sema yi nema bi wo honoma wo ya mempe wo tempia school rules ubuso tempia ubu school rules wo ba year 1 month leave ewo year no mu o na mi year 1 month leave no mo de nka mamu 2 weeks na nka memfa na me homra na masan ama na bosome so a de bia so mama ya validation ama waketu aba wo kwa etimi take you by 2 months no nsi ha no jankola no honom adana atesa
headmaster ade a me no twi no na me kosua bia ka ho edu bibia esem kokokokokro kosua mamre ani amane a metim dia tre school no before me ana chief oni nya yeshia o Zimbabwe yeshia
hey na sema ya tana uken sidio so school na manko bi antiboni ba na mi hu no
oh
chief wa mushia o Zimbabwe man shia santimo ho be bia Zimbabwe
ya me chono nte local languages eni yekochia Zimbabwe wono ye local for mu ka Swahili mu ka Swahili
Swahili
etse no ahi mu ka na Swahili ba wono hiru so bia ni ya ncheche wa
kama kazuku no tuma
abayiru woni zunku ba na kwedi maka get ya ni ya keke kama ni kariya na kagbari na zama makariyanci ne
aka ni kariya mana kullum kai kariya
ne headmaster sometimes ese ku samu nkuru ku ba mu nya abutra maye school ni here die mu ba school na ba ni ban da mu kai na nje abinga Zimbabwe nje learn local
se wayo ho sebi oboga dubi na one nanam kurumu a oba school na watwe den 2 months oma se nkwala na omontra ho mo enya sa omontra ho mo
onga de kayafi ba irin wani gadama ne da ke damu yi wani gadama ba kedi yankuri kayafi
shi ne kamar abin da kake yi ne
ba irin wani abu ba
no bi da kyau ne ka bari kana karban salary ana biyan ka every month ana validation ba ka sai zaka inji suka zo kamar muna musu kariya ba
validation ba ku bani ba
wasu ni nace kana ba ai da an ba do na ka salary ba ka zo salary amma da sun sawa validation last month man yanda sawa na bwa sawa
this time kwa mi amaka na mani school no akasa pa maba na de nya dia
afa de mahu wanu adu say tu au kanti na tambia
utim ko shemu maba na de nya dia be ko
tu na kirim ada obe tu na no sa time no so na unya maya validation yenye waketu ebe kam ena sa wo to so na to so be mienu miensa mi a metro na me da ko na yiwadi what the school na bobo na de opebia na we na say change na say maye na say change na say maye enti how say wa ho na oga
headmaster so kasa dodo
da bi na o ya na nye
kasa dodo
hey
oh what can say ma pa o chaw me se mate ase e bi si bi next time me kwa I know how to go in but I don't know
the way I was here I said the officer chem so apare bro hu
headmaster adwuma ne ye bia wo ye no waka asem asa you school no wa ye die o aka men ko asa ye firi woni ba bi esa ko ye ko menchia sa ko sua mamre ne amane ye de betete nkura no
yeah men pen kwara me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso
walking hey brother James I like how you walk.
Thank you.
Charlie Chaplin.
Who's Charlie Chaplin?
You don't know Charlie Chaplin? Oh, go and search. You walk exactly like him.
Like Charlie Chaplin?
It's just that you have to do your legs like this. Oh, I want to talk to you about something.
Yeah, I know. You always want to talk to me about something. I know.
I always want to talk to people about something.
Yes. Why?
You know, you're one of the people I look up to.
Yes. I really like you. And I like how you are, right? You always have something to tell people. What is it again?
You've already said my line. I really like you. And I like how you are. So I don't like it when you get into trouble. So I want to advise you about something.
Are you not tired of this occupation?
Which occupation?
What you're doing right now. Don't you know this is your occupation now? To gossip, to talk about things that doesn't concern you.
So advice now is a gossip?
It is a gossip. If the person is not ready to listen and you are still insisting, then it's a gossip.
But you are ready to listen.
Who said I'm ready? Who said that?
Brother James, you are ready to listen.
Let me go, please.
Oh, brother James.
I have applied shea butter here and it is melting. So I want to go.
Oh, brother James. It's actually glittering. It's good. Let me advise you. It's good. Can I talk?
4 minutes. Hurry up.
Why are you always giving me time? The last time you gave me 3 minutes. Yeah, you're giving me 4 minutes. Brother James.
Talk. I'm listening. You talk. I don't want to walk over you. Please talk. You want me to walk?
Close your button first. You see, the girl you are dating now, Ama Brita.
Yes. What is it about Brita again?
You see, I told you about you dating her and my J not really being good with you and all that. I've come back again, brother James. Brother James, it's so serious. Oh.
What is so serious?
Brother James, you know you are not okay with my J. And you are dating his sister. Do you know that because of you, Mike J is sacking his own sister from the school just because of you? Do you know that?
I know that. Yes,
if you know that, then why are you still dating a girl?
I am trying to solve that.
How are you solving it?
I can't. I'm just trying. So what do you want me to do now?
How are you trying? You tell me how you are trying. Because the kid is leaving the school. Her future is now in your hands.
Cunningham, tell me what you want me to do. What should I do?
Leave her. There's so many girls in the school. You can just leave Amma aside. Get a girl in the school. The juniors. There's so many.
Okay. Yeah, you give me a hand. Cunning. Like, on a more serious note, do you know I was doing all this just to get back to you? I really like you, Cunning. I like you.
Oh, no.
Me dunya mesa wo pemi. Hey, wallahi wo pemi.
Brother James.
Hey. Wallahi say wo pemi.
Oh, Brother James.
You don't like me.
Oh, Brother James, what are you doing?
So if you don't like me, why this? Huh? You don't like me and I like somebody. So why these disturbances?
Brother James, check your time. The 4 minutes is up.
Coming.
Brother James, I wasn't talking about me. You can date someone else. You know, right now I have Scanty.
You have Scanty, right? Are you cool with Scanty?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
You are cool?
Yes.
So Scanty, Scanty and Abigail's vibes, you like it?
Yes.
You like what is going on?
Oh, he said he's going to leave Abigail soon.
He is going to leave, right? So mine is going to be fixed very soon.
How?
How is your own going to be fixed?
He's just going to leave her. That's so simple.
Is just going to bring his sister back.
You see, you can't even say what you are saying. You know it's not possible. You can't compare your relationship to my relationship. My relationship is going well.
I'm not even comparing because mine is far better than yours.
It's
you
not.
Ended up at the hospital. Kanen, you lost blood, Moja. You lost a lot of blood.
Why do I keep hearing this everywhere? I lost blood.
You lost blood.
That's it.
Because of your toxic relationship. And you see, you were determined that you will surely get your love back, right? So hey,
I have. This is about you, Brother James. It's about you.
It's about me.
I care about you. I don't want my J to hurt you. I don't want anyone to hurt you, Brother James.
Where is the microphone and guitar you promised to give?
I said megaphone and Bible.
And Bible, where is it?
I'll buy it for you. I feel like you're not ready. See, you don't even tuck your shirt in anymore. At first, you tuck in your trouser will be at this side of your waistline.
Shit,
and then we can.
What the belt in the car, man? What's the belt in the man?
Why the belt?
You took my belt away and you are accusing me of not tucking in.
I didn't know you're having another belt.
Leave my distance. Please, Sister Cunningham, I don't know your mission, but I'm telling you that please leave me alone. Let me fight my battle. I have faith and I know I will surely win.
My mission and vision in this school is to make sure you are alright.
I'm alright.
And everybody in the school is alright.
You know what? I don't want you to have time for it.
Add the other movements. Your leg, change it, do this. So that the Charlie Chaplin movement will be better. This is actually a gorilla movement, not Charlie Chaplin.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso meya. Me pesa me come any months so we meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will my wish.
Yeah. I've been searching you. We're sorry about this issue. We don't know. We don't know it's your sister. We don't know about that. So we are sorry for that. It happened, but forgive us.
Let me know you come kakra.
Oh yeah.
My respect to man abroso. But this time around no. Mo ya DB. Oh no, what fast no mo ya DB. This time around me ban say bio. Debi ye chem. Me this ade ni bio. Ah, it's the mo di ame no. Uni one fast ni ti the mo di ame no.
Majid, come.
No, sir. Debi, jina ye osisi akra jina ye.
Ah.
Baby Jinaye.
Majid, are you talking to somebody?
What no like sir?
So why are you talking me just like that?
Why am I talking like that?
Yeah, no, listen, look at the way you behaving. Huh? You see me long time. But how to see how I approach you? Approach you in cool. But the way you behave, don't do that. Why are you doing like that?
Why am I doing that? When you and your sister and your family progressing my family, where were you?
That's what I'm saying. We're sorry.
Why are you sorry right now?
We're sorry.
When you are coming to tell me you are sorry?
We don't know.
You know.
You will know. Hey, come to shame. You can't just like that. Come to shame.
Like I didn't
No, listen, come to shame. I'm your teacher. But why are you talking your teacher like that?
This time around, I mean, the teacher send you because I'm a
say talking, you never ashamed.
Stop progressing, we are progressing right now.
So that one thing can find Jimmy Kwana, who will be trying to find me. Who will be trying to get double no more. We take about time with you. Can I want to be man back and could not change? Who tell this story? You don't know. Come on, why are you know Penino? Can be Kenyans as a matrimony. Who the other can't have some natural. Sir, I give you respect, but you didn't like respect. So that's what I'm telling you. Bullshit. You are Penino and Kawajia to Sanka Krano Besson. What's your son? Who will be saying, your family, they don't care of you. Your family don't care of you.
Me papa we ni abusia bia o e me ni nua no. Me ni nua no pe na boy bra. Ana me na me hye me nua no.
Enti na me sinya bo tere.
Ana mo na masa ni nua life. Mo na masa ko fa ka bra me mo. Adams. Cause this time about no agro ni abesresre na obi akwa na say say nchi mo bia this time.
So na yeso teachers for no so this time. Yeah mama gaba.
And mama ga yeso chima mo
student who say money teacher respect her. Teacher don't give a student respect.
You didn't
but teacher go crash a student. But a student go round. You see?
Did you respect yourself? You don't respect yourself.
I'm just say yes one paying phone to say mom yeah. Yes you better am say we don't give a gaba. I told you. What it? I was not who for how many. We will go konko. Daddy I want that they paint one there no. Oh yeah, give me promising no day. Calm down. You tapping on me, mommy. You taking your shoulders.
Calm me down.
I will break your two shoulders.
I also say okay, count seven. Say me nyama do ana my stadium awo.
Tell me ka to sinya butre. Minim. Enyi ma ba say nyina mi minim.
Scanty no. Come on. Finity. Come on, free
na amando ho ajo.
Sure. Me ku obi ama me nua ba.
You don't know the law. According to K, law says 2 equals to 10. 2 times 2. Attempt to kill. It's a murder.
What is a murder?
Acquitted and discharged.
Your car is murder.
You don't know the law. And me go to article 2 to actual no. What's it? What no the council be kunifano. We have to lock you.
Mo give me a chance. Mo ono wo fast. Mo give me a chance.
Eh, bravo. Trust me. You don't know how better say me better was. Listen out. If you feel too abakwa ko ye na sa say na na tikwa tenten say your can talking point to TV so no. Na fi wa be ye no ho style bi listen out.
Mu dia mo ye.
See the make catch okay. Bibi obi. If the son mom some mood and more akwa see at this time because you see akwa no school mu school. No, listen, I hear before. Is it true? True. What's the end? No. School mu. Can't you shame a student who can't speak English? When you talk about the book English is so penal. Why that? Do you think I can't speak English this time around? You think I can't speak English? Eti the American odi nya abotre. He says so wa best school wa hakora na. Ibe hu de be misrew. Odi nya abotre. Na na long bi a o say ye wa hakora mi nya na ba long bi o say ye wa hakora na ho. Long bi akora no say ni ye wo school mu no. Adam na jimi na ma san yo ma nya say koso. See. Share. Wa no ha be wa yo. Ati tai nati obeje so obe school mu ano ono no ni Aroma ehihye ho ama me ka bibia kire me nya na otie Aroma yeah dating who my sister Bruta for what I don't know for what reason Aroma come to shame to dating somebody's sister. Just like that. Somebody's baby mama. Hey, somebody's baby mama. Na Scanty no way. Oni na mo kid no day. Oni futie. Hey. Sam wa fasi we pa wallahi zuku ne. Zuku dudum banda. Wori do ko matanka. Ah, ninti on santre boy no. Boy, she. Boy no come me makoboy no so bad yo. Ana memo fast na day. Scanty ana. Why you don't so ntimi no ntina bi oni nsuye bi onto on fa. But we don't do that. That's the main reason. We don't do that. That's the main reason. We family. Why are you doing like that? I don't so fast. I'm sorry to wait. You're sorry to say for what Jimmy. I'm afraid of you. I'm tired of you. I'm ashamed.
Vaughn, I want you to tell me something. I want the truth. Were you there when J went to the girls' hostel to sack the sister?
Sir, you wouldn't believe it.
You were there?
Sir, what I saw.
What did you see? Tell me.
Sir, J was removing the things, scattering the clothes. Sir, he even lit a lighter.
Huh?
And then threw it on some of the
He
clothes.
did all those things?
Sir.
Meanwhile, I called him and he denied.
Sir, J is telling you something you are leaving.
Were you there when he was doing all those things?
Sir, I mean, to be frank, I wasn't there.
Then why are you talking as if you were there?
No, sir, you see, you know me, my sources, my informants, they will never lie. When I got back, then they told me. So, sir, I'm giving you the picture, imagery of how it looked. So, they said when it was done, the sister was begging on her knee. She was sobbing, weeping. They said J held her neck.
J denied. He denied doing all these things.
Sir, that's not even the scary part. They said while she was begging, J held her neck, raised her up, then turned her around.
Oh, get out from here. How could you do that?
Sir!
She would have been a corpse by now.
Sir, I'm telling you the truth. You see, when he turned her in the air like this, so I don't know if when you're young you watch Undertaker.
You are exaggerating.
Sir,
please. Hey! I trust your source, but please, the exaggeration is becoming too much. Good, J was there. He did what he was not supposed to do. I understand. He came to lie to me. I understand. But don't be exaggerating it that much. Come on.
Sir, it's not like that.
Vaughn, please. I'm not a baby. I'm not like you. Please. If you meet Opoku and Co, then you can do that. But when you come to me, understand I'm your father. So you can't do that to me. It's okay. It's okay. I know what to do. It's okay.
Yes, sir. In fact, it wasn't good at all. So, when I heard it, I was like, wow.
J is becoming too much on this campus. Every blessed day, J.
Sir, guys, I don't know why you still keep him in the school.
You don't decide what I do with my students, huh?
Sir, please, apologies. I'm just giving out a suggestion. Sir.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll send you something.
So you see, that's why I love you, sir. You don't even make me speak. Then at once it's flowing. It's flowing.
How to handle these boys? It's okay. It's okay. You go.
So I will still keep an eye out for you and ear in case.
Okay, you do.
Okay. Alright, no problem. Then say goodbye.
It's okay.
Say.
Yeah, me pen when I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with me yeah.
My J. Sada me from me bisao. My J. Kamu no kretire me. Wo ko ma hostel wo ko pam wo nia banana wanko. Wo dun say she jem say ta wo wanko. So say no kre na daddy.
Say me nua ba no ohami o. Ohami. Say girl no jina ohami o. Ohami too much.
And to nia ba hawa. School man kan say authorities e wo school man no. Why na say report to nia ba na kire no. Ha? And you me say asem no. Huh?
Hey, one headmaster na ka say ogun ebe ba hun so ye say Lufthansa ebi. Wa boda man
Why na say report to kire no.
Na o say come ba on.
Good.
Yeah man.
Why say the wajimi? Huh?
Say ye jimi na me jimi o. Me nua ba na o me na me tua school fees.
Hey, we nua ba no who dey try the fees, but we ni no kwan say o ko no hostel, ma hostel e ko ni ma gba
so no dey o kwan so ba bebu sam diska mama diska to eje.
Abo school mo na head school no. And I'm head school no. Hey. Mo na head school and I'm head school no.
Hey.
Hey, my J.
So challenge no.
Braha, bitina. Ma me.
To say
We can send for ma Aroma say we a fucking boy. Hey. We ni aba no. School ma no. Hey. Me pensam for. We your papa.
say ko obey rapists. Wo dey tin otim come ma hostel say wo kwa ko yi obi ni ma. Wa boda.
When they kasa ayi wo mo belt atade so ase batem na ati osadin akwhwibere se ya na ode nam campus anu ene ye bon samrani magje nti house wo na oga ho. Hey. Utimi hwemanim twamento. Some catch us, I'll get to the bottom of this.
Say me can no kra no na chiro
Ohami. No kra no ntro na ntwame.
Say ohami me na me dey na school and I'm say ohami.
Aha, what in na school?
I'm telling you the truth. Ohami.
Hey, what in the school no? Why na na make try hostel one. And how the be say mensa.
Ba say wo na me
hey,
na.
What in the say?
Admission fee.
Aha. Next say Samre no. We free win some about this school now. Isn't it?
Okay, fine.
There be say small no kwa wo de ho. O kwa wo de ho.
But you be here. Why?
Papa to onum ne janko.
Mi me ye.
Ayo, ha be.
Mi o se mi me de, mi me ye. Me o ba mi de. Wo mu wa de o se ma.
Jabutra nya sam wa han ma unu so ntimi akola we ja.
Me o ba mi de.
Hey, my J. Amen ka asem ba ko.
Wo mu wa de o school mu a.
So wunim na wunim. Na sa di sa to so bio. My J masake we for school mu a.
Me sorry.
Masa ko yenye ni empon school ma yenye ni onwe school kra no onko
me ne say I say aka ma o ma wi an ka wo na ka ma more indefinite and me pes kwase bi record say be say me kola
na record fail bi
so me anka say me wi this year
ma hu say wo wi and me say enye say wa ben a na ka ma indefinite because wo wadwe na mu ewu wadwe mo omre usua dia wo hu ne say ma indefinite
say asem na me ka no nka woti de wi a me kana se na onyim de wi a me fili a ka bo se me nya wi o ha me
wo ha na eso ka kire no
akura ketu a wo me do wa be school se me ka hwe a wontie wo so ne ne de wa on nsema a mani piepie ba so nsema a mani piepie ba
na waka kire na wanti
se o de no de me pese me
da bi oni ewo mu no ka kire me
se me ba office ni akan no later because
adia
o ye no adia
William say Obaba office any mabeka na ya sort later but when huni nyansa hu so wuni aba na ha no Obaba me ho ama ya sort e na call girls hostel enti wura hostel ho na okoto say ma no sebio ebi awo mo ho a na ka wo ye ne dey
na we de bi okohwe om ho de bi a
na ka ye ne dey se ko bo hu jimi a wajimi
na meja u
a tika kaka se na
na say ade a wo ye
na mo bo me ho ima ye bo me ho na meja e
ma no ro na kotete ho mo
na ya ade a na ye dey say
o pa cho aman we ntika kaka o pa cho amahan o yo nua ya tunufo What is it? Go walk on is over there. Go walk on and dear Abbey.
Office member. Come with some office on the Johnson who now Joe.
Mike.
Make catch your school man now one. School man won't me first school man Mabu. Whom what the school man won't him first school show. Won't me five so
Mike. Make up
bodam.
A Bobby one bra office on. What I saw me catch on.
Soon
count. Now one montra. Nka wo boom some mama. Yeah, and patch of yeah. Oh, I also from Fulu be on.
Say me from Fulu be but never say.
Right.
School to when you see be a school when you see be a school be when you say no. Obi o school be when you say so the so to school mu ano. Umuni. Hey,
O say me kasa. You when you
me was so me matter adim.
What do you mistake me?
Headmaster.
You when you be. O say that.
Hey. Kafa. Me was so matter adim.
Kafa, who so tiri to me fu?
Hey,
who so tiri to me fu?
Hey, me want you me meje. Who so hey? You bring me ma mo dua kwa na me a. Me friend so be 100. Who school? Who be worse than what we? Me yen ko bed. Hey, who be Bobby? Hey, na who mo ade sa?
Who me wo me so ketekete akukura se wo
Me donya me wo. Man phone kwa dru so nkunkura na nyame. Hey,
we be chiri wo di opa ajimi.
Headmaster.
Headmaster bra.
Headmaster.
Oda confirm bra.
Hey, mo ade o.
Get kono di akwase asem na
Ya me kwase. Ka be se kwasa. Be se kwasa.
Ana ka sam ya akura ma ho.
Headmaster.
Me tiri wo so di enfu da. I'm a brother. Oh, some are going from Batum. Wow. Yenina ha? Yenina Imagine I do come here, bombing now. I'm only a 3 now. Woman thing.
Rita. You don't look okay, are you?
Yeah, I'm not okay. So in situation I'm wrong.
A friend now see you in shower how one kind situation. What's wrong?
Say, Mike, my brother.
Mike.
Hey, what? As I'm not kind. Pam, when I'm dreaming, say, I'll grow saying any bristle. Your co-headmaster, Honum Nina. Yeah.
Co-headmaster? No, any question. Like, what happened? What did they say?
Like, Wakashan is on to me. Into your face, Nibium, so I should leave.
My J. Atinyaka in the presence of the headmaster and the school authority said he is not going to take care of you again. No, don't cry. Don't cry, please, don't cry. Better. It's sad. It's sad that your own blood is treating you this way because of me. Better. Hear me out. On a more serious note, I am very, very sad. Because where did we go wrong? Huh? Young folks when they say you decided to say you fall in love, you know. I don't know why your brother think I'm here to ruin your life. Better. You know what? When I in such a way, you say kakra. And you to me fiti preocupe money panja semutumsa. So you know what? I would say I will support you in a way, you know. I'll try my best to see and I'll keep talking to my J too. I'll talk to him.
Aroma, no. My J, headmaster named him cried. They're now no.
So you don't want me to talk to him? Peter, you know, I'm trying to help you, you know, so I should also get assistance from elsewhere, you know. Trust me, on the more serious note, I don't think I can do this alone. You know, I need support. So I'll try though. I'm not saying it's wow. But then I need support. So I'll try to talk to him if he agree.
Mike,
Now wait a minute here. So I don't know, Mike. I will talk to him. I will do that.
So when you were that done was a catching say another thing.
Oh God. So what do you want me to do now? So when that happened, what to get you in Biana?
So dear Jim say my Juma.
God forbid, Brita. God forbid. What are you doing?
Juma.
No, high school no Kwakusuye Juma. Can you even hear yourself, Brita? Please don't provoke me, Brita. Look how beautiful you are. Can you even imagine yourself in suit, Brita? I feel like you're not the officer. Come on, girl. No, don't do that. I'm not saying say Juma Suya Enye, but then Nyabo trainer is school, no. You understand? After the school, not so decided say you attach a Jumebia. Perfect. I don't want you to be a school dropout.
But I said you'll bet your fees, so no say.
I will do it. I will try. I will assist you. Yes, God. There be any message you nyame. I know could the headmaster of microphone neighbor, Bible. Oh, oh God no. I will come, yes. Maybe from Monday going. Yes. It's all say since I met you, me pretty BM. That's the reason why he was asking me. So Peter, don't worry. I will try my best to support you,
Okay.
You understand? Give me a hug, Mama.
Hey, Adriana Koso. Adams, Adriana Koso no. Me today, Adriana I'm saying, Etona Makwati and ask Makwati ubi. Minim
so about school more there then obet in time make us say the hotel.
It's a Adriana Koso na me bisa Adams.
Again in about school my junior the new abana.
Ah, now what do you know?
I mean that's anything.
When you Jimmy, when I call this when you Jimmy. Ah, now what do you know? Hey, what's wrong with you? Tell me, I'm your uncle. What's wrong?
Maybe Diana make
get me play school and again away.
For then I mean, some penny beam to then I mean,
it's one penny beam, a chance Aroma no name and cotton prana.
It's a baby open on
like Kewane. Sunan can number and come a car against Zombo, a sack a Sunan na, a baka wawa. Wikigamuka. I'm fake a Zombo, she can bury winning. I don't know Aroma, what's in it. Oh, bad, I cotton prana. Now, hey,
about me now, won't ask him penny be a room, and then no better. Me banner one oh,
what a Jimmy. We Jimmy with Ferrari pa. I didn't pass a seminal. When to get one school one, it's the best one Roman be chama. Let's again about why the Jack and Scanty say now obey day. Stop it! How don't you bake Aroma in this relationship?
But then our relationship what judge name giddy I'm person girl no that
I say break it. This relationship break it. For we see from Kusa Bema and pray. Again go out and I call BB there. You alone. But in this school, when you see girl jiwadie meta jigana ji.
Upon your one our frame of fee catch me say me Anderson. Ye menen mente asema. I don't feel the house I am a beam. Meet means many man.
Muslim ka ya ka ye wa ka yi awre kaman so fudu ma. Ba wonder they check ba ya ka yi awre fudu.
Family no dey mean me here.
What there be who for him wo. You call yourself a gangster. You pin your teeth. So your ear. You pinning your ear. But you never doing gangster. You a gangster, but you never prow. Stop woman, you know how I mean. Call yourself a gangster, but you never do prow. How? Break you inside that marriage you free or no check again no. Check again no fire. Check again no fire. No buy. That's a Gino. Can't you see?
No, you see, crop. I want some money scrap. They need you and they am crap. I don't know money scrap.
Ana ubi sa wo fa me desikani na wo sika bia on. Aka say na nya wo say. Abi cha ha ko so be say na meje. So we ha say na wo fa meje. Ma chiri from Kwame Nkrumah pencil. Quarter pot coming to me Toby. What it?
There's a better now girl no akwa ne didi. Who needs a better no more?
Come to shame you twisting your head. We doing like that. Can't you shame? Like a broniba, like a toy. Dummy. Ah! Stop, sir! Thank God, no Aroma, no, they make me to know. The children, they make me to know. To upon preaching will be Jimmy Wahao. Oh, nobody. I will stop this, madam. I will stop it. I will not see from me, you know. Break your Aroma. Okay.
This is me breaking now. I don't work for farm.
Mr. Breaky.
Be breaking, I mean,
break your Aroma. My friend.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so drum meya.
Brother Mike.
Asa, yo. Oba me fa me ho adwen. Cha me na me fa me ho adwen, wate. Ah, sa mo nyo ma no metwam ho. Sa en se e china se metwam ho.
Brother Mike, isn't it obvious now? Can't you see the effort I'm putting, Brother Mike? Huh? I heard you declared it to the headmaster that you are not going to pay Rachel's school fees again.
Ah, sir. Just ya be catch me boy. Ya be catch me boy. Ah. That's it. Why?
Brother Mike,
I
didn't come.
That
is not the problem.
That's not the problem.
Not the problem, bro.
What's up?
The thing is, I came to assure you that, you know, if you are not going to pay, there is no problem. I will assist you, brother.
You will assist?
I know maybe you can't do it alone.
I will assist you.
You.
Hey, Master, fuck, where are they?
No, boy, no, it's me, Akrano.
But one minute, my day.
It's me, better, bro. We all want the best for her.
Now who bet my million? Yeah, day cross say social media now to me. I also win domina to Tomana Nana. Ah, so provisions and getting out Tomana Nana. Me my side away for years.
I know, bro.
My for years.
I know.
And you saw 2 years be now. So person spend 1 million on the Baba Sala and I know and trust you. Million machine for years.
Brother Mike, we all know so why are there. One hour show me and the quad will be in this searching, bro. We all know say one hour Akrano because I even know I heard some mouth for film and you know you've been there for her since then, bro. I want to help you, bro.
Boy.
I love her.
Papuano? Clear your mouth! What's this smoke?
Brother Mike, are you going to marry Bretta?
Me so wo. Me do wo ba ma mi na de me. Ka me ma mi nua ba na ko gina shawula no apa.
You don't have to say this, bro. Bro, you don't have to say this. Am I that bad?
Am I
that bad, bro?
Me se masa wo me hia do bi ka so wo me hia hu na. Ke na sa se me wo te. Kwasi asema kwa ile na wo te. Se me ma pom mi na se wo na wo ye killer me boa.
Bro, any killer Sam. I didn't come here for violence, bro. I came here for peace.
And you came here for what?
I came for peace.
You came for what?
Peace.
Peace.
Oh, Mike.
You are mad. Yeah, you don't get peace for this side, though. For this side, no peace for this side. I tell you the truth, bro. Don't be joke for this side, though. They come tell you, say you,
So you don't want me to assist you?
You assist you. Me probably be a free so call.
And I won't pay me BB and also say one shakra. So who person abra say na?
And Shanu Jano on qualify Jano.
No, I can't allow that to happen, bro. I like better. Me to me say oba pamna free school man na bra ba ko eba sana. Can you even hear yourself?
Who of them pa wait ma be German chain pay this and come away
yeah? Oh, come on, bro.
Who of them ma be German chain say din come say.
Come on. You fight the time 7 bro.
Okay.
Me nim say won hwese wo nua na bra bo be say. That is what I'm trying to tell you now. Ain't you a school dropout?
Money,
Come on, bro. I'm not
money,
going to happen.
and foul.
Ah, come on, bro.
She is not your sister. She's my sister. Unfortunately, she's my sister. Unfortunately, she is my sister. One more. Unfortunately, she is my sister. Don't tempt me. Aroma, don't tempt my temper.
Alright, I didn't come here to.
Don't push my temper to the wall, Aroma. Sometimes I just me senior maybe say I grow but
I know
serious.
you are not playing, and I'm not playing either. I am not playing either. I want the best for Brita. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
The best in the man, Jamie, no. The best in the man, me see you say. Just a man, make a channel. You say. What's the other man now? One day. One day. Who went to go for a barman a day 200 cedi crowd? What to me about 200 cedi? What's the other man?
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way.
Habibi, Rachel, do you know how worried I am? Where did you go? I've tried calling you, I've tried texting you. I even told some of the other juniors to come and call you the last time. I didn't get a response. Why?
Go help your girlfriend at Santua to deliver safely. Don't come and disturb me here.
But where from this conversation
Where
today,
from
Rachel?
this? Where
Out
from
of the
this?
blues, look how you are telling me.
Where from this? It's been trending in the school. Everyone knows. I mean, everyone knows.
Rachel, no, relax. Well, it's making my mind a bit too clouded here. Like,
So aren't you pregnant with Santua? Why are you denying? Aren't you pregnant with Santua?
like I'm not denying it or anything, but like, where from this?
Help her to deliver safely after that.
Oh, but Rachel, you know that like I don't really care about her. It was just a fluke.
It was just a fluke. It was just a mistake. So if the same thing happened to me, that's what you're going to say?
No, not at all. You are
Not
my
at all.
prize, Joe. I've told you this before. Look, you know this. You know that some people can even get married, and then they don't even love the one they married. They love someone else. So, like, put Asanto on the side. It shouldn't even be a problem in our relationship. Hey, you've made me so worried. Look at how long. Even when I got injured, you never came to check up on me.
How will I come and check up on you once I know you are pregnant with someone?
Oh, like, stop that.
I'm a girl like her and I feel it's pain. I feel your pain. So why are you denying or saying something?
I'm not denying
Go
it,
take
but-
care of her and stop disturbing
Rachel,
me. Okay?
she's not the one for me. You are the one for me. I'm trying to spend eternity with you. Don't do this. Come on, like, why all of a sudden go to Asanto and stuff? Like, put her in the shadows. It was never about her. You are the main picture I want to focus on.
If it was me, you would have said the same thing. So let me.
I would have never said anything. You, my Habibi. Rachel.
Go help her deliver safely. I'm a girl like her and I'm in her shoes. So go help her, okay?
Rachel.
Hey.
Rachel. Masa, where from this? Where from this? No. What's this? Broad daylight like this? No. This one. It will be him, it will be him.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months,
Master. Yes, enough is enough. They can't see the actual. Again. A man in free school, Muhammad, and free hatchana. A man in free hand and free hatchana. So we need now, we again in free hand. So we need now, we again in free hand. Sa Aroma no, obekwa ko chase no. Aroma bekwa ko chase no. Anya na ko ye de obey bia. But sa akura no wo hia no ha. Empanyin sisi wani tuemu a ye ni nyawo. Anchi because akura ni nka school mu a woni nyaden.
On school mu anya bi kon kwa sema odi. Etina oni we gina o, ena oni we gina o adai. Nkwa be school mu nkwa aposo ti nipa adai.
Se wunim na ma akura no kwa. Be kan se bi akiro. Se wunim na wo ma akoda no kwa. Wa ma Aroma ne chance o. one pave way at the amano. So one anya because what pave way. Maninka school, Maninka school, Maninka, dear could be a dear kid. And one is summer from. I'm a friend who pass some near trust now, granny team. No matter what my boom, no more leave woman like me. Try. Me, Shammy.
So I mean, relax you. I said, when you're but
friend who pass no. No, my friend, when you are bad, with him, be. Eh, dear, as somebody had to go to nature. Ah, show me never the American. Hey, now boy, who hey, sa Aroma no, per office pin get to be found one. Isn't it? Office pin. Before office pin one ya. Found one. A job of one. What do you make customer throw? Won't you the American one? Huh? My make us show. Bear 2 weeks ni akwan sika mai. Bear 2 weeks ni akwan sika mai. Mudonyame. Semi trufie na scam ya ansha Adam so baba ba tuli funu a because me from you tin sisi an kasa akura no Adam sin semi ni ska o fa so no ba tuli funu sika de be ko ba tie de me ka kire
da bi o nti akura no ni dia no
se na me o enye nka bom ye ka bom di ni nyina ma no enye sika na o hwehwe ah baba ya la wase go na mafefe enye go na wafefe Yedi amakura ni free school ma me dia American no ni ma ye ni nkwa akwa na Aroma no per was free spin fa wona ha me voice na ma biem
infa office
voice na wo de be kwa akwa ya abo unua ba no ontimi nka office we wo de wona ha wi na do ko ranki afa no apepa buga me see ato we wicked pa police ni biem ntimi for office spin evidence we wo broni bibi
Who broni bibi?
Me ye broni bibi.
Asma okay there.
Ye make a try on it.
You na asma okay there.
Ye make